Hello friends, we are going to be making some meditative watercolor swatches. I love doing this. I am using just browns. I think brown is such a beautiful color, and sometimes I forget the magic of it. In winter you get to see a lot of beautiful browns. I live in Colorado, so it's kind of brown here in the winter, so I was kind of inspired by that. And then fall, things are starting to change, to turn green, which is also an underrated color too. But I'm just going to load my brush up with just different shades of brown. I'm altering the color a little bit just by adding a little bit of red, and then sometimes just a lighter brown. I do have a nice palette that has a lot of options, but I'm definitely altering the color too. And I just get my brush nice and wet and then just go up and down a little bit, side to side, and I have these beautiful swatches. Now my favorite part is the mark making part. So I love making swatches, but I also love adding marks on top of them. So I'm going to be just adding a lot of simple marks to these swatches. I'm going to be using a thin pen and then a thicker pen and then a super thick pen. So it's really fun to kind of experiment and see just all these beautiful marks right on watercolor. And I am using a paint pen, and it's really fun to come up with different marks. I did the 100-day challenge, and I did like a little booklet of 100 marks, and it was amazing how many of them I could come up with, but you can use simple shapes, with dashes and lines. You can use triangles. There's so many different things that you can do. Even a scribble can be a mark too. So I love mark making. It relaxes me. So this was a really fun page to see all these beautiful shades of brown, and then also to just fill them up with my favorite thing, which is mark making, is really fun. So I hope that you try this. It's very meditative. Take your time and do it. I think after the swatches dried, I probably spent about 20 minutes just adding marks, and you can do less swatches if this seems overwhelming. And you can also pick whatever colors you want, but I just love doing these. It's so relaxing. And like I said, I just use very simple shapes, and you just need a couple of different sizes of pens if you have them, or markers. And if not, that's totally fine too. I've done this with just like a big pen before, and it worked out really, really great too. I love to doodle all the time, so this is a really fun process for me. But I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to put on some music so you can listen. But if you're interested in these videos, I also share like a lot of watercolor meditations every week. Normally they're posted on Saturday or Sunday, and there are a ton of them. So if you need some inspiration and you like these kinds of practices, please check that out too. But yeah, very, very simple. I'm just adding dots here, and I just love filling them up and kind of thinking of ideas. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy this. Give it a try and tell me what you think. I'll see you later, friends. Happy creating. Bye.